Hey guys, it's David from DealMachine, and one of the great things about DealMachine is you can leverage your time by having other people drive for you looking for properties. And so if you're on the basic plan and you add that fourth team member, it's going to say, hey, you can only add 3. So I want to tell you how to add more. So that's actually going to be an upgrade to our enterprise account, which lets you have unlimited deal finders. So we would suggest when you have that, also use the DealFinder Recruitment Funnel Page. So you can run ads on Craigslist and Indeed, and then you can actually direct them straight to that recruitment funnel page. And that way they can get all the education about the opportunity and they can onboard themselves into your account without you having to manually do any of that. And then they'll also see training videos right after they sign up under your team. And you'll get notified via email. And so that's actually going to be a really great combination with the enterprise plan because you can have unlimited of those guys. So if you want to do like pay per lead that somebody submits to you, you can have all these deal finders, as many as you want. And in addition to that, you may know that deal finders leave you in control. So they can add properties, but they can't see who owns the property. And you're still in control of when that marketing goes out. And if you have somebody on your team that you wanted to give that control to, then you could actually, with the enterprise plan, have up to 5 full access team members that have access to your account. And so those 5 full access team members actually give you the opportunity to control what exactly they do. And while we're filming, I'm actually going to pull out my app so I can show you what that screen looks like. All right, so here's a list of my team members. I'm going to click on one of my partner level members, and the partner has these 5 different things I can toggle on and off. So can see other team members' properties, can approve mail, can use enhanced search, that's our way of getting phone numbers and emails, can edit and create templates, and can export data. So this is all possible. It's part of the enterprise plan. If you want to know more about that, please go ahead and book a call with Josh from our team. There's a link in the email below.